Hi everyone, welcome to C2PS Education. In this video, let's solve some list programs using Java 8. Here we have class called Java 8 list program and one hard-coded list of integers called integer list, and by using arrays.list I have initialized some predefined numbers inside that. So these are the questions we are going to solve in this session. So we have about 30 questions to be solved. Okay, let's solve them. First question, find the maximum number in the given list of integers. So for this, first we need to take this hard-coded list of integers, which is integer list dot need to call stream method. So this stream method, it will be helpful for processing this list. So stream, have to find maximum number, right? So for that, before that we need to convert this to int. So for by using map to int, we can call like integer colon int value. So by using int value method, we are converting this integer to int. Why we are doing this means to get in stream. So from this in stream only, we have the max method. So this max method, it will return the maximum element from this list. Okay, so you got it right, why we are converting this map to int before this max step. Okay, since we need to get the int stream. Okay, after that we can use get as int to get the int value from this. Okay, I'm initializing this to one variable called max and create local variable. Okay, so we can print this now, max. Running this console. Yeah, first question, the maximum number is 26. Let's verify that. Yeah, in this list 26 is the maximum value. Okay, then second question, find the minimum number in the given list of integers. So for this also we can use the same logic, so I'm copy pasting that. So instead of a max, since we need to find min, we have one function called min, so we can use that and changing the variables also and printing this min value. Okay, now running this console. Second question, the minimum number is 1. Let's verify this. Yeah, in this list we have 1 as the minimum value. Okay, got it. Then the third one, find the average of the numbers in the given list of integers. So here also we can use the same logic, so I am copy pasting that. Paste. Yeah, so instead of min, here we need to change this to average. Average will be returning the average of the numbers in this list. Okay, but this will be returning as a double value, so we need to change this to get as double and changing the variable to double average. Yeah, okay, now printing it. Let's run that now. Okay, console. This is third question, right? Yeah, going to third question. Yeah, it is 12.555. Yeah, we got the average now. Okay, now let's go to the next question. Find the sum of the numbers in the given list of integers. Okay, for this also we can use the same logic. Okay, let's type it by our own so that it will be easy for us. Integer list dot stream. Okay, now we need to use the map to int method to convert this to int value, integer colon int value. Okay, now we can call the sum method, sum. Yeah, this method will be returning the sum of all the numbers in this list. Okay, so directly we can print this. Okay, sum equal to, yeah, create variable and we can print this sum here. Running this now. Let's check the console. This is fourth question. Okay, going to fourth question. Yeah, the sum of numbers is the 113. Okay. Okay, now let's go to the next question. Find the total number of numbers in the given list of integers. Don't get confused. It is like how many numbers are there in this list. Like, okay, let's find that now. Okay, yeah. For this also we need to call the integer list dot stream, and here directly we can call one method called count. So this count method will be returning us the total. Okay, so we can use this count method and initializing this to one variable and initializing this to one variable long count. Yeah, printing this now. For that, let me just copy paste this one. Yeah, running it. Check the fifth one. Yeah, the total is 9 here. Let's verify the output. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yeah, the total is 9. Correct. Okay, next sixth one, find the max or min or average or counter sum of the numbers, which is nothing but the previous questions whatever we have seen. We have one technique to do that within single method. So we can see that how to do that. For this we need to call the integer list dot stream method. So inside this, again the same conversion, map to int, integer colon colon int value. Okay, from this we can call the one method called summary statistics. Let's initialize this one and see what is it is returning. Like, can create variable. So this is in summary statistics. Okay, so with this we can find the maximum number. Okay, let's check this. I'm using the same summary statistics variable and trying to check whatever available inside that. So get max, we have one method called max, so we can call that directly get max. Yeah, now this will be returning the maximum number. Okay, next similarly we can use the same thing to call the minimum number. Okay, so get min, and then the average also same logic, you can get average, and then to get sum, summary statistics dot get sum. Okay, and to get the total, summary statistics dot get count. Running this now. Go to console. Sixth question, I think. Yeah, we have, this is the original list and the maximum number is 26, minimum number is 1. Yeah, similarly the average, count, sum, everything is like same as we got earlier. Now you got it right. Only with the help of the summary statistics method we can get max, min, average, sum, count, everything. Okay, next question, sort the given list of integers. Okay, let's do that. Integer list dot stream. So here we need to do sort, right? So the method name is also sorted only, so we can call this sorted method. This will be sorting us the list in natural order. Okay, sort for each of system dot out double colon print ln. Okay, now running this, let's see the output. Okay, go to seventh question answer. Okay, yeah, sort the given list. The original list is these numbers, and after sorting we got it like in ascending order. Okay, now let's go to the next question. Sort the given list of integers in descending order. Okay, so here I'm copy pasting the same thing. Okay, so instead of ascending order we need to sort here in descending order. For that, inside sorted we can use comparator dot reverse order. This comparator dot reverse order, it will be helpful for like getting the values in descending order. Okay, now we can run this and check. Console. 8th question, right? Yeah, here we got all the values in descending order. Commenting out the previous questions, just it will be like easy to check the remaining outputs. Okay, the next question, find the odd numbers in the given list of integers. For this also we can take the integer list dot stream. So here we need to check one condition to find the odd number. So for that we can use filter method. So inside this filter we have to add the condition to check the odd number. Okay, for that we can have n implies n. So n here is nothing but some variable, it can be anything. Okay, n, so the condition is percentage to equal to 0. So here, since it is odd number, it should not be equal to 0. Just we are checking if it is divisible 2, means the remainder should not be equal to 0. Printing it by using for each system dot out double colon print ln. Okay, running this now. Okay, let's check the output console. Ninth question. Yeah, 1, 9, 11. These are the odd numbers. Let's verify that too. Yes, correct. Okay. The next one, find the even numbers in the given list of integers. So here also we can use the same logic, just copy pasting that. As you know, like instead of like equal to, like not equal to 0, we can change that to equal to 0. Okay. Now running this console. 10th question. So here also we got only the even numbers. Next question, find both odd and even numbers in the given list of integers. So this is like combination like of 9th and 10th question. So how we can do that within one step, we can see that integer list dot stream dot. So here we can use one method called collect. Okay, this collect method, inside that we can have collectors dot partitioning by. This partitioning by method, it will be helpful for like dividing our list based on some condition. So inside this partitioning by, we have to provide what condition it should be like divided. Okay, so here we can check the same condition, n implies n percentage 2 equal to 0. Okay, let's have one variable to check this. Okay, odd even list equal to create variable. So this is the map. Okay, so no need to have this list. Okay, so if you see here, the key is boolean and the value is list of integer. So let's print this and check first what's happening. Okay, running this now. 11th question, right? Okay, let's go to that. Here if you see, we got false equal to the odd values and even true equal to the even numbers. So as you see, like here the value is divided based on true or false. So that is boolean value and the respective numbers in the list. And iterate with this map and print the odd and even numbers respectively. Okay, for that we can have this odd even dot for each method we can call, and inside this we can have some variables like key comma value. So I'm using the lambda expression here. Okay, let's first print the odd number. Okay, odd numbers are plus it should be value. Okay, before that we can have one condition in if k equal to false. Okay, then the odd number will be printed. Then in else condition we can print the even numbers. System.out.println. So here the even numbers are same plus value. So key is true or false value and value is the respective list. Okay, just what we have done here, we are using if else condition. Inside if we have checked the key equal to false and then print respective odd and even numbers based on this condition. Running this now. Okay, it's 11th question, right? Yeah, here we got the respective odd numbers and the even numbers separately. Next question, find the square of each number in the given list of integers. Let's do that. Integer list dot stream. Here we need to do an operation in each number. So for that we can use map. So inside this map we can provide the operation to be performed. So here we need to find the square, right? So for that n which is nothing but some variable. So I am just multiplying that with one more n. Okay, n star n. Then we can print that by using for each. Running this now. Twelfth question. Yeah, the square of each number in the list is printed here. Okay. Next, find the number starts with 1 in the given list of integers. Okay, let's find that. Integer list dot stream dot. For doing this, first let's convert this number into string, and so we can use the starts with method of this string. Okay, so n implies n plus double quotes. So this will be converting our number to string. After that, we can check this condition. Okay, dot filter. So here n implies n dot starts with. So since this number is now converted to string, we can use the starts with method of that string and we can check this condition. So here we need to compare with 1, right? So we can add that here 1 and printing it by using for each. Okay, just revising, like with the map we converted the number to string, and by using in filter, like we have checked the starts with condition. Running it now. Okay, it's 13th question. Yeah, here we have all the numbers which starts with 1. Let's verify that. So here we have 1, 10 and 11. Next question, find the square of odd numbers in the given list of integers. So for this we can use the previous logic itself. Okay, let's go to the find the square of each number question. So copy pasting that. Okay. So here it has the square of each numbers, but we want only the odd number. So for that we can use the filter method to get only the odd number. Okay, n implies n percentage 2 not equal to 0. Filter we have added the condition to check the odd number, and then by using map to get the square number. Running it now. Okay, console 14th question, right? So here we got the square of only the odd numbers. Find top 3 numbers in the given list of integers. Okay, let's do that. Integer list dot stream. So to find the top 3 numbers, first we need to sort it in reverse order, that is in descending order we need to sort. For that we can use the sorted method, and inside this we have to pass this comparator dot reverse order. Okay, now this will sort the list in descending order, then we can print it, but we need to get only the top 3 numbers. So instead of for each, here we can use the limit method. So inside this method we can add like how many numbers up to that we want, we can add before that, and then we can have this for each method to print this. Okay, running it. Yeah, console. Yeah, if you see we have 26 3 times. Since we have duplicate values here, right, in our list, this is giving us the same output. So to avoid that, we have to first remove the duplicates. For that we can use one method called distinct method. So now we can check the output 26 11 10. Yeah, correct. We have removed the duplicates and sorting it in reverse order, and then getting only the first 3 elements. Okay, find the second largest number in the given list of integers. For this also we can use the same logic as before, like distinct and sorted in reverse order we can use. Okay, copying that. Here we need to find the second largest number. So instead of limit 3, we can use one method called skip and skip the first element. So like inside the skip method, how many elements we are giving, as the name says, it will just skip those elements. Okay, so here we can skip one element, and after that the same as limit. Here just we need to find one element, right? So limit 1. Okay, you can check the output. 16th question. Yeah, second largest number is 11. We can check from this top 3 numbers itself. So 11 is the second largest. Okay. So we have one more logic to do the same thing. So let's try that. So instead of this limit, we can have find first method. Okay. This will also do the same thing. It will just fetch the first element. Okay. So here we cannot print this directly. So we can use get method to get it. Create variable. Okay, printing this one, second largest. Okay, running this now. Let's check the output. 16th question, right? Yeah. So here also we got the same 11. That 11 was the previous technique what we have used. Okay, so then 17th question, find the second smallest. So here also we can use the same logic. So I'm just copying that. Okay, copy, and then yeah, since we need to find the smallest number, so here instead of sorting it in reverse order, we can use the natural order sorting technique. So instead of comparator dot reverse order, we can just use the sorted method. Okay, removing that in both the things. So second smallest. Okay, anything else to be changed? Yeah, I think this is good. Yeah, we can run this and check now. It's 18th question, 17th question. Okay, yeah, 2 and 2. So both the techniques also providing us the same answer. Okay, commenting on the previous things. Okay, now 18th question, remove the duplicates in the given list of integers. So as we saw earlier, like a distinct method we can use. Just why it is added separately means it is repeatedly asked interview question. So we can have this as separate question. Integer list dot stream. So in dot distinct method we need to have. So this distinct will be removing the duplicates. Okay, dot distinct dot for each. So inside this we can print. Running this now. Yeah, here all the duplicates are removed. Find the occurrence of each number in the given list of integers. That is how many times each number is present. Just we have to print that. Okay, let's do that. Integer list dot stream. We can use one method called collect, and inside this collectors dot grouping by method we can use. So this method it will just group the elements. So inside this we have to provide based on what we have to group. So here I'm just using function dot identity, which is similar to yes implies yes. So here just checking the same element. Okay, so for that we can use this function dot identity. First let's print this and check what is happening. Okay, assigning this to one variable called occurrence, create variable. So this is a map with integer as key and a list of integers as value. Okay, let's print this and check now. So here 1 equal to 1, 2 equal to 2 comma 2. Just nothing but like the variable itself is grouped, like how many times it is repeated, it got grouped. So by using collectors dot grouping by, we have achieved this. Okay, now we want to find only the occurrence of each number, that is count. So for that we can use collectors dot counting method. Okay, now the return type will be changed. So I'll remove this, again create variable. So here if you see we got integer comma long, so which is nothing but the count of each number. Okay, now we can run this and check. Console. Yeah, here we got only the count, like how many times it is there, like 9 equal to 1, 26 equal to 3. Next question, find the duplicates in the given list of integers. For this we can use the above map whatever we have found. So with this map we can check whatever values which are greater than 1. So that should be like counted as duplicate. So we can use that logic. Okay, occurrence dot. So to iterate with this map, like we can call entry set dot. Now we need to call the stream method. After this we can have one filter to check only the duplicates. So filter, have one variable entry implies entry dot get value. So value should be greater than 1. So we can have this condition. Now we got only the duplicates. And one more thing, here we need to get only the key value, which is the number, respective number we want. So for that we can use map, and inside that entry implies entry dot get value, sorry, get key. Okay, now we got the respective numbers. Let's print it. Okay, running this. Let's check if we got the output. 20th question. Yeah, Yeah, we got only the duplicate numbers 2 and 26. Let's verify this in this map. Yeah, 2 equal to 2, 26 equal to 3. So they are repeated more than one time. Question, find the non-repeated numbers, that is unique numbers in the given list of integers. So for this also we can use the same logic. So just copying that. Okay. So here instead of duplicates we want the unique numbers. So whatever value that is equal to 1, which that should be unique, right? So we can just print that. Okay, running this. Yeah, we got only the unique numbers here. I put 1, 9, 10 and 11. Find the first non-repeated number in the given list. Okay, so for this we can copy that previous thing. So since this is returning the entire non-repeated numbers list, but we want here only the first one. So for this we can use the find first method, which we have already used. So we can use the same thing here. Find first dot get. Okay, assigning this to one variable. Okay, create variable. Running now. Okay, let's check the output. It is 22nd question. So by comparing the first one, like we got only the one as output from the previous question itself. We can see this, but we have one more thing, like this cannot be always same, because this find first for using this we have to use linked hash map colon colon new. Why means like we have to maintain the insertion order for this. So inside the map itself I am just adding this linked hash map comes now. Okay, let's check the output. It is 22nd question. So by comparing the first one, like we got only the one as output from the previous question itself. We can see this, but we have one more thing, like this cannot be always same, because this find first for using this we have to use linked hash map colon colon new. Why means like we have to maintain the insertion order for this. So inside the map itself I am just adding this linked hash map there will not be change in the output, but it's better to use like this, because if you want to find the first one, the insertion order should not be changed. Find the first repeated numbers. Okay, here we can copy the previous same thing, pasting it. So here only the repeated number, right? Okay, which means like first duplicate. Okay, so here instead of equal to 1, you have to change the condition greater than 1. Remaining everything will be same. So copying that and printing it. Okay, let's run this now. Yeah, here we got the repeated number is 2. Let's verify that before. Yeah, here in duplicates the first one is printed is 2. Okay, we got the same. Next, find the most repeated number in the given list of integers. So these all will be like similar type of questions. So we can use the same occurrence map, whatever we got. From this itself we can get the like most repeated one. So for this we can call the occurrence dot entry set dot stream. Repeated means here we have to use the max method. So inside max method we can use the logic to compare, like map dot entry dot, based on which we have to compare, comparing by value. So to get the maximum value we can use this logic, and then can get this directly. We can get key. Okay, here also we can use the map to get the key, but this will be like direct thing. Okay, most repeated equal to, so initializing this to one variable, most repeated. Yeah, let's print this and check running this. Okay, yeah, 26 is the most repeated one. Let's check in this map. Yeah, 26 equal to 3 is the most repeated one.